Hello everyone, my name's MJ and I'm one of the product specialists here at Spy Center Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. I'm here today to talk to you about the LawMate Micro Camera DVR. But first, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and remember to subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest spy gear by following us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Just click the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, spycenter.com. And if you would like to purchase this product, click the link in the upper right hand corner or click the link in the description below. Today we introduce our new LawMate Micro Camera, which offers amazing HD quality in such a small compact unit. It comes with a couple mounting options where you can clip it on your shirt, bag strap, or backpack to record whatever you're doing. It can also be used in more tense situations like child custody exchanges or law enforcement interactions. With amazing 720p video quality and a 5 megapixel camera, this body-worn camera gives you the option to either record continuously for up to an hour and a half or take snapshot photos depending on your situation. One great feature is the cabled remote, which offers a more covert operation for capturing photos and videos. Now let me show you what comes in the box, how to set the device up, and how to operate it. In the box, you'll find the complete user manual, which contains any and all information you'll need to know about device setup, operation, and utilization. We'll have the custom charging cord, which connects to a USB port. We have the tethered remote, which is used to discreetly turn on and off the device. We have the multifunctional clip mount, and the carrying case. Lastly, we have the unit itself. As you can see, it's no bigger than your car remote and is discreetly designed to look very inconspicuous. After you have your device fully charged, the first thing you're going to do is put in a micro SD card. Next, let's head over to our computer and plug our unit in to set the date and time. On your standard Windows computer, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is create a notepad document and type in the date in year-month-day and then hour:-minute:-second format, and then save it to your desktop as set time. Then once you're done with that, drag the document from your desktop into the unit's memory folder. It should be automatically absorbed and applied to your next recording. On Mac, it's virtually the same process, except instead of a text document, it's an application called Text Edit. Go ahead and type in your year-month-day, hour:-minute:-second, but this time, in the top, you'll need to go over to the Format section. Up in the Format tab, make sure it says Make Rich Text, because that means that it's formatted as plain text document. We also want Wrap to Page off. Then go ahead and save it as set time to your desktop. Lastly, do the same thing as we did on Windows and drag the document into your unit's memory folder. Now that the camera has been set up, we're ready to start recording. Always make sure that you have your micro SD cards inserted into the camera before trying to do any type of recording. Flick the switch to rec mode for video recording or photo mode for taking photographs. Power the unit by holding down the power button for 2 to 3 seconds. A blue light will come on to indicate that it's in standby mode, and then soon after, a red light will show that it's recording. To bring back to standby mode, hit the power button once more. While on standby, you can flick the switch on the side to enable picture capture mode. Once switched, click the camera button and a 5 megapixel snapshot will be taken. Hold down the power button for another 2 to 3 seconds and it will turn completely off. To operate this device covertly, use the included cabled remote. Press down on the switch to turn the device on and it automatically begins recording video. Hold it down for another 3 seconds to turn the device off. Now that we know how it works, let's check out a few quality demonstrations. The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. Spy Center Security is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. Spy Center Security encourages you to check your local, state, and country laws prior to usage.
Hey Dominic.
Hey Nick.
Dominic, could you tell us why someone would want to buy the LawMate Micro Camera with DVR?
Well, MJ, the LawMate camera is our top-of-the-line American-made series. They're super easy to operate, and the wearable micro camera with DVR is one of the best products we carry for body-worn footage. I would totally recommend it if that's what you're looking for.
Thank you so much, Dominic.
You're welcome.
Hi everyone, this is a video and audio quality demonstration at 10 feet. This is a video and audio quality demonstration at 20 feet. As you can see, the 68-degree field of view lens covers the entire room. This is a video and audio quality demonstration at 30 feet. I absolutely love this body cam. It's small and compact while also being extremely user-friendly. Record high-definition video and audio for about an hour and a half with this handy body-worn camera, and play back the .avi files on your Windows or Mac computer using any standard media player such as Windows Media Player, VLC Media Player, or QuickTime. The simple-to-use features of this body cam allow for quick deployment in the heat of the moment or quick video documentation. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe for more product tutorials and review videos. If you want to check out this product, I'm going to put the link in the top right-hand corner of the video and in the description below. On top of accepting all major credit cards, debit cards, and PayPal, Spy Center is now accepting other cashless secure payment options, including Apple Pay, Google Pay, Bitcoin, and many other cryptocurrencies. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. What sets Spy Center apart from other Spy Gear stores is that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've been the leading provider of quality spy gear in the Dallas-Fort Worth area for nearly 30 years. And we offer free FedEx 2-day shipping to all 50 U.S. states, even Alaska and Hawaii. We're standing by to answer any questions you may have via online chat at spycenter.com and on our telephones at 1-800-292-7748. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.